Hey, welcome back, bitch. We are Southern Hospitality. I am Robert Sherman. That is Cleo Wataki. We do only have two members present at this time. Our bass player, Jack, and our lead guitarist, Daniel Bartlemy, is not with us at this current time.
They have AKAs, DRV, and that stands for Daniel Ray Vaughn.
Daniel Ray Vaughn.
And then we have Jack Daniels.
We have Jack Daniels.
Yeah.
Or AKA Sam Elliott.
Or AKA Sciatic Nerve.
Or Sciatic. Yeah. That's right. But you know, you've been listening to all these cover songs that we've been doing. From fucking Purple Rain, from fucking Prince, to Toby Keith, to Blake Shelton, to Jamie Johnson, to Leonard Skinner, to Waylon Jennings.
Versatile.
Because that's the way we roll, baby. Yes, sir. That's the way we roll. Because we just some old Southern boys down there, some Paul, Oklahoma, do it. Sorry.
That's right.
Yeah. And I'm thinking about going with the pride.
Yeah.
Right on. And Cleo likes my hat.
Yes, I love
it. He gonna get one too.
I like that.
Yeah, we'd like to give a shout out to Daryl Cole, Transcontinental, baby, we love you.
Yes.
Yeah. To Randy and Matt Bradley and PJ with Sofa Kingdom. Wish y'all still had the band. Much love, baby. To Scott Squire with Octane Blue and Now for Five. Love you, baby. Also to old Psych Mike. Used to be the jukebox hero, and I can't remember what the fucking name of this new band is. I don't even know.
Cluster Fuck?
Fuster Club.
That's it.
Fuster Club. We love you, baby.
See, I cleaned out my cobwebs.
Yes, you
got
did.
rid of all the Fuster Club.
Right on. And then we want to give a shout out also to Dustin Rogers of Sweating Bullets. We love you, man. Also to Big Daddy and the Blues Kickers. We love you, baby. Okay, now we're going to do our shout outs. We're going to do an original song that I wrote. It's a Southern Hospitality original. It's called Like Rain or Rain. And it's a really pretty song, so just check this out, all right? You ready, Clee Dog?
I'm ready.
All right, here we go. This is an original, Southern Hospitality original. Southern spelled with S-U-T-H-E-R-N.
Get it right.
Get it right, baby. And we're glad to be on YouTube, Facebook, and all that other jazz. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Just some more
that was a country boy shout out. Right
there. That was a country boy shout out right there. You know, all the Colt Ford and all them other fans.
Yeah.
That's the way we roll. Okay, here we go. Yes, she was ready to swing back to the side. Yes, she's headed for those stars of you are tonight. Thank y'all. That was original from Suthern Hospitality. Hope you enjoyed it, baby. And stay tuned for more to come. Peace. On our next set. Peace. Love you.